Proton is back with a Geely fuel force starring the X70 SUV, Iris, Persona and the Exora MPV. Following that momentum, the Saga has received a significant makeover for 2019, and here's our summary for the update in 2 minutes. On the outside, there are bumpers with a new design on the front and back. The front bumper is closer to the Persona's design with new LED running lights. In the back, there's a spoiler on the boot lid. It also received a new design 15-inch rims. What are your thoughts on the Saga's new look? Share it in the comments below. Inside, there's a new 7-inch touchscreen with Bluetooth and smartphone connectivity. The instrument cluster now has a new design along with a new central dash panel. The seats now come with new upholstery. There are also 3 USB ports, 1 for data and 2 for charging. There are bigger brake discs with ABS, ESC and traction control. It also has 2 ISOFIX harnesses. The Saga has a 4-star ASEAN NCAP rating. The Saga retains the 1.3-litre engine with 95 brake horsepower and 120 Nm of torque. There is a new 4-speed gearbox with a sports mode for the 2019 variant. Proton claims that there's an improvement in ride and handling thanks to the gearbox, brakes and tyre upgrades. The 2019 Saga comes with 3 types of packages, which focuses either service, financing or insurance coverage. The highest spec Saga, the Premium Auto, is priced at 39,800 ringgit, which is lower than the Perodua Bezza 1.3 Premium X. Would you choose this over the Bezza? Share your thoughts in the comments.